This video is dedicated to the class of 2022 football players and families. What a ride.
You want a great team? You gotta build it. Piece by piece. Start with a few natural-born leaders. Then you need some old vets who've seen it all, and a few youngsters just getting started. Tough cookies who don't back down from nothing. And some pranksters to keep everyone loose. You need those strong but silent types. And a few not-so-silent types. Those with chips on their shoulders and ice in their veins. And a few who do anything to win. You'll find a cast of characters like that. You've got yourself one hell of a team.
Like any year, we want to challenge ourselves right from the first day of practice and then watch your team grow. This was a really mature team.
We knew we had a really talented team coming back from that spring season. They'd obviously had a lot of experience.
What we figured out was anytime we pressed buttons with this team, they responded immediately.
Really acclimated themselves really well. So we knew we had some talent going in.
And so we were able to plug in a lot of things schematically with this team. So we had a really smart team, and then the physical piece, you need to wait till game time to see where we were going to be at.
crap moment. And for him to scramble out of the pocket and run for the touchdown, you're excited because he's about to score, but then you see the way he's getting up and limping around, you're just like, oh, that's not good. That's not a good sign.
So at halftime, we kind of had to rally the troops. I think all of us knew we had to go back to the drawing board and really see how we could make our offense work for Joey. And he responded well. And what Joey did well was he threw the deep ball really well. And with the offense we had this year, we had 3 receivers who could just fly. And so that really worked out well. Anytime, we ran the ball well, then we could play action and take our shots downfield with those guys. And Joey had confidence in it, and our receivers had confidence in it, and our team had confidence in it. And so for most of our games, we could always go to that. And Joey did a great job with that.
It's up to Joey to help carry us to an SFL banner, and he did. The legacy you guys have left at Rocklin High School for the football program is something that's not going to be forgotten. I had the privilege of working with you guys for 3 years. The impact you guys have left, all the stuff that championship teams have, you guys have, and you have left those for the younger guys coming up.
Playing football for Rocklin High School has taught me a lot of things, and I think the most important one that it's taught me is how to hold myself accountable on others as well. And one of my favorite memories is just honestly going to be all the memories I've made with all of my teammates.
It was a tremendous group. We just the highest quality of young men, high character, tremendous performers in the classroom, on the field, in the community. I would say thank you to each individual for not only growing our program and making our campus a better place, but also for almost being like our friends as coaches. There's a player-coach relationship that develops over time, and those guys, because of the way they prepared and the way they treated each other and the process, we started to become one. It's kind of one voice and one movement out there. I was really excited for the growth that we had and going from past player-coach relationship into just a collective movement by Rocklin football.
Seniors, man, it's been a fun ride. We've been through a lot with the COVID years, with injuries. But man, it was such a pleasure. I'm so thankful that you guys put your trust in us, and this coaching staff put your trust in me.
Rocklin football to me personally helped me grow as a person and also showed me what a brotherhood is.
There's so many lifelong memories we're gonna have. I hope you're better for your experiences here at Rocklin High School, the trials, the tribulations, the successes, all you had. I'm really excited to see where each of you goes, whatever those victories are gonna be in your lives over the next 10 to 20 years. I hope you know that the door's always open at Rocklin High School.
Rocklin football, it teaches you a lot about, how to succeed after high school, I think, it's about learning how to achieve your goals and, in life in general. I think it's learning about how to be successful through hard work and determination.
I've been in the football program at Rocklin for 10 years now, and throughout those 10 years, I've been taught how to be a good leader, work well with my teammates, and when bad things happen, because they always do, how to fight through it, how to overcome it, and how to succeed past it.
Football means to me, it means family, all the memories I made with my teammates this year, and throughout all 4 years I'll never forget. And my favorite memory was this year, the Folsom game, getting to come back from injury and playing in that game, and then winning in the fashion that we did.
I think the first thing that comes to anyone's mind when they hear about Rocklin football has got to be the word intensity. We are the most get-after group of guys, whether it's in the weight room, on the practice field, or when we're showing up Friday nights.
This season meant a lot to me, considering that this was by far my favorite season, and these guys were by far my favorite. I bonded with these guys like no other. I mean, these teammates and these people really meant a lot to me. And we bonded quick, we had great chemistry throughout, and you can't deny that and you can't beat that, like, you know, when you have that on a team. And this was, like I said, by far my favorite season and the most memorable to me. And these guys meant a lot to me. I mean, I'll forever remember this throughout my life.